It is in the nature of sentient beings to both learn and to teach. In human beings, we learn initially, in our earlier days, in infancy, by watching what adults do. This is one of the reasons why we eventually learn to walk. You might think it's inherent in human beings, but is it so? I can remember reading many years ago about a child who was brought up in the wild by some sort of animals. I don't know whether it was wild dogs, wolves, coyotes, or whatever it was. And he never learned to stand up. He used to run around on all fours like an animal. Unbelievable? Well, I believed it. Apparently there were studies done and it showed it to be true. He had to be taught later on to actually stand up and walk. Now, what's this got to do with learning and teaching? We learn by watching others, and learning is innate. We want to learn. Animals learn by watching what their mothers do and their fathers do, and to a large extent we do the same. But when we reach a certain point in our life, we begin the other side of the coin, the teaching. We learn and we teach. And the beauty of teaching is that in teaching we learn more quickly ourselves. I was just recently reading a couple of paragraphs out of Stephen Covey's very famous book, The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. And Covey was saying that if we learn something with the intention of teaching it, and if we do teach it in some way, within the next 48 hours, it puts it into our memory far more deeply. We possibly remember it for the rest of our lives. So to teach is not only to help others, but it is to help ourselves. I do a lot of these talking head videos. Now, how do I do them? I get one simple idea, like I did today, and I'm speaking about now, about learning and teaching. When you learn something, if you can make a video of it, talking head video, doesn't have to be a long one, just maybe 3 or 4 minutes, 8 minutes at maximum, and put it out on the internet. Play it back if you like it, put it out there. It is not only helping others, it is helping you. It is helping you to become more articulate, be able to think quickly, to be able to be less self-conscious. In other words, developing you as a speaker, as a public speaker and presenter. Do not ignore this ability to learn and to teach quickly. By learning and teaching quickly, you are helping many others, but you're also helping yourself.